Hi guys, this is the messages of our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, tignan na natin guys kung ano yung mensahe sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see. Come on. Give me some messages for the Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see guys, let's see. Tingnan natin. Anong meron sa ating mga why do I'm seeing here such an emotion? The Emperor. I have here the father figure na kung saan etong si The Emperor ang nag-aayos ng mga problema ni Earth sign. Okay, kaya siya lumabas kasi sinasabi niya na kailangan mong harapin lahat to kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayong Earth sign. I am seeing here a Page of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, 6 of Swords, 5 of Wands, 9 of Swords. Andito yung hindi mo matanggap yung pagkawala nung isang tao na to. Okay? And then, nandito na rin yung 6 of Swords na parang hinahayaan mo na lang mag-go with the flow. Andito rin yung 5 of Wands na merong habang dinadanas mo yan with the 9 of Swords na takot ka, may anxiety, may panic attack, may umiiyak gabi-gabi, okay? Andito yung may humahatak pa sa'yo pababa, okay? May crab mentality pa dyan, possible din sa family mo na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Okay, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Andito rin yung Page of Pentacles natin. Okay, andito yung Page of Cups. Iniisip mo pa rin siya talaga. Grabe. Ayan o. 4 of Cups. Hindi ka na kontento sa buhay mo. Hindi ka na masaya. Parang wala ng direksyon. Okay? Lumaban ka, Earth sign. Okay? You need to stand up anyway, ha? Okay, tingnan natin yung magiging guide. Lumaban ka, Earth sign. Okay, possible din merong namatayan sa inyo, ha, Earth sign. I am seeing also a loss here from the family member, ganyan. Kung hindi man to broken hearted. Tapos meron ding muntik na mag-suicide kasi masyado nang na fed up dun sa kanyang relationship, masyado na nasakal, ganyan. Okay. The Hierophant, I am seeing here, you're okay. You have to free your spirit, okay? You have to connect to universe, ha? And then I have here also the 5 of Swords, which is telling me na andito yung may mga bullies, may mga nambubuli talaga sa'yo. Andito kasi yung ating 5 of Wands din, yung mga crab mentality na ibinababa ka pa talaga. Ha? Lumaban ka lang kasi andito rin yung ating the Hierophant. Okay? You have to forgive them. Ha? Patawarin mo pa rin tong mga tao na to na nakagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, ha? And then, let's see. What could be the... Hindi ako satisfied dito sa Papa tayo. Tingnan natin. Kailangan ng advice, okay? Kailangan ng advice for you. Kailangan natin ng clarity para makapag simula ka ulit, Earth sign. You're in pain right now. You're in sorrow. Ganyan. Grabe. Ang bigat ng energy. Okay. Gumalaw ka, Earth sign. Kumilos ka. Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Tinatamad ka ngayon. Wala kang hindi ka inspired na kumilos kasi ito nga yung nararanasan mo ngayon. Yeah, you're maybe dealing with your partner na possible na matayan ka or kung hindi naman iniwan ka nito. Andito in the lovers. You may be dealing with your twin flame. Ayan o. Kaya ganyan yung iyong earth sign. Ito ang law of universe. If it's really meant for you, it will always come back to you. Kung para sa atin yan. Kahit na anong mangyari, babalik at babalik yan, guys. Okay? Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, earth sign. Okay? At yun lang, mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Lagi pong manalangin. Okay? Huwag makakalimot sa kahit taas-taasan. At God bless and good luck.